How to log in Wayfair app. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Wayfair app. For that, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet. Open your app store or your Play Store and type in Wayfair on the search bar. Install the app. Since you're trying to log in, so you must already have an account, right? So you want to open that up and you will be taken to the home page. I have already logged in, so I'm just going to quickly sign out of this page. And if I go to the home page and tap the account sections, there I can find sign in or create account. You could tap open that up. Now I have these biometric enabled, so I can just simply go ahead and sign in using my biometric. But in your case, you just have to type in your email address associated with your Wayfair app or an account and type in your password, and that is basically how you're supposed to log into your Wayfair app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. And for any sort of issue you're having, you just want to contact support and they will be able to help you out. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.